GM just laid off thousands, and employees say the meeting was chilling. AI played a role, and severance deals left many uneasy. You need to know what's really going on right now. General Motors recently announced a major round of layoffs affecting thousands of employees across various departments. Workers described the meeting as ominous, with management delivering the news in a cold, business-like manner. These cuts come amid GM's accelerated push into artificial intelligence and automation technologies, signaling a shift in how the company operates. The layoffs were sudden, leaving many employees shocked and uncertain about their futures. Severance packages were offered, but the details sparked debate and concern among those impacted. During the layoffs, GM executives emphasized the growing role of artificial intelligence in reshaping their workforce. The company is investing heavily in AI-driven automation to streamline manufacturing and other operations. This shift means fewer traditional roles and a need for new skills, which contributed to the decision to cut certain jobs. Employees expressed worry about the future job landscape, fearing AI may continue to replace human roles. GM's move reflects a broader industry trend, where AI is changing employment, but also raising urgent questions about worker protections and retraining. GM provided severance packages to laid-off employees, but these offers were met with mixed reactions. Some workers felt the packages were insufficient considering the sudden layoffs and the difficulty of finding new employment in a changing industry. The packages typically included limited financial support and short-term healthcare benefits. Employees voiced concern about long-term security and the challenges of navigating a job market increasingly influenced by AI and automation. The severance terms highlight the gap between corporate strategy and employee welfare during such transitions. The layoffs mainly affected employees in traditional manufacturing and administrative roles that are most vulnerable to AI-driven automation. Longtime GM workers, some with decades of experience, found themselves suddenly displaced. The shift to AI means jobs involving repetitive or manual tasks are at greater risk. Meanwhile, the company is looking to hire or retrain staff with skills in AI technology and advanced manufacturing. This creates a divide within the workforce and raises questions about how companies like GM will support displaced workers in transitioning to new roles. Going forward, GM plans to increase investment in AI and robotics, changing the automotive industry landscape. For laid-off employees, this means a critical need for retraining and skill development to stay relevant. GM and industry groups may offer programs to help workers learn new technologies, but the path is uncertain. Employees face pressure to adapt quickly or risk long-term unemployment. This trend is a wake-up call for workers everywhere to pay close attention to how AI could impact their jobs and to proactively seek new skills. GM's layoffs reveal a stark reality about AI's impact on jobs and the challenges facing workers in today's economy. If you work in industries vulnerable to automation, now is the time to prepare. Follow us for updates on how AI is reshaping employment and what you can do to stay ahead.